Well, we got down to the bottom of the stem wall, and just check that out. This thing is just tore to complete pieces. That rebar is rusted all the way through. There's nothing left of that rebar. Expanded, busted out the whole side. That's about 14 inches that we're looking at there. And there's a J-bolt. It's rusted. Went clear back in there on almost on the interior substrate floor. And it continues across here. I can't tell you how important it is to get this early. And here's this corner. This whole side is gone. There's the interior floor right there. For inside the garage. The AB right below it.